After a short hiccup a few weeks ago around the summer sale, I thought the CSGO case market might see an extended period of just going sideways. I've mentioned many a times it's been up only for almost a year at this point, but it doesn't look like it's over yet. As a lot of cases are nearing all-time highs or highs much higher than a couple of months ago, where exactly are we gonna stop, and why do I think the case market is still as strong as ever? In this video, let's talk about it. So as always, if you guys do enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And just before we get into it, check out how to get a free $5 trading with the sponsor SkinsMonkey. SkinsMonkey is a CSGO trading site where you can find great prices to trade your skins at, and just to prove it, here's me trading my USPS monster mashup for a StatTrak AK cartel, and it's practically a break-even trade. You could even make some money, and here's how. SkinsMonkey is offering up to a $5 bonus if you sign up through that link in the description today, or just enter code SUKA in the top right when you log into the site. So be sure to sign up today with that link and easily trade out your old boring skins for new ones without losing tons of money. But for now, let's get right into the video. Okay, so what originally got me looking at the case market again is that the Danger Zone case had a bit of a leg up recently, which is really surprising because the amount of cases on the market and the amount of time that this move happened in is pretty quick. Now, it's only a 2-cent move, but I mean technically that's 20%, so it's quite a move. Now, with that being said, this leg up in price is now up to 12 cents, which isn't bad at all for a case that you'd think doesn't have a lot of hype behind it and shouldn't be increasing any significant amount in a few days' time. But the reasoning for it is that supply on the market has dropped from about 900,000 and it's continued to drop more and more until about the 14th, so just 2 days ago. And now it looks like we've bottomed out in the upper 370,000s. But at this point, I think it's possible to see even these cases go higher in price if somehow this supply stays down. And here's why, because this was kind of just a random move out of nowhere for the Danger Zone case. It's really interesting to see this many cases just coming off the market this quickly. The Prisma 2 case, of course, the case that got removed from the active drop pool on July 1st when the recoil case got released, is another case that I just expected things to die down a few days after the hype died down when it got removed. That's what usually tends to happen if you look at past trends when cases get removed from the active drop pool, but the thing is, it hit 10 cents, dipped back down to around 7 or 8, and slowly worked its way back up to 10 cents again. This is exactly what you want to see when a case gets removed if you're holding onto them as investments. Not a sudden hype spike up to an amount and then just dying down from there. You want to see it slowly working up to that price again. It shows a lot of strength, people willing to pay more and more over time, and now people willing to pay what it was at when the hype was going on. And I actually suppose I should say not necessarily people willing to pay their 10 cents instead of 5 cents. Obviously that's like barely a difference, it's a few cents, but I should say not as many people willing to sell at this 10-cent price on the market, which will obviously drive price up. I suppose it's way more of that, since if you're doing a case opening, I'd hope you'd be fine paying 10 cents compared to 5 cents per case, but this is going to bring me to my next point. Cheap cases and the extreme amount of potential they've had because of how many cases are being bought up on the market. If you go look at any of the cheaper cases, CS20, either the Gamma cases, the Prisma case, Rising case, obviously excluding cases that are in the active drop pool for the most part. Some of them have somehow gone sideways or had slight increases too, which once again just shows a lot of strength in the case market, but you will see that they've all started going up recently. I think people are really starting to realize that. I mean, there's like 20 million cases being unboxed consistently a month. Not only are numbers dwindling down of actual supply on the market and we're literally running out of cases, but with more and more people willing to pay quite a bit for something like a breakout case, a glove case nowadays, stuff like that, and those cases still getting unboxed in obscene numbers, people not really caring because, I mean, this ties in with the skin market. Skins are worth so much more now that people are willing to pay more for the cases. People realize this isn't just like a digital currency. You can't just have Steam funds and not have it be worth anything. These are skins you could cash out for real money. That's becoming more widespread as well and much easier for people to cash out. Tons of money to be made everywhere. But either way, I think it shows a lot of strength for these cheaper cases and proves that they can definitely go up in price very easily. The only issue we really gotta worry about is supply, and go look at the charts on PriceStalker.eu, the website that I always show. It seems to be a constant downtrend over time. So to me, all the charts really speak for themselves. You can look at them and decipher them the way you want and what it says for you, but to me it says numbers are going down, supply on the market is going down, stuff like that. People are unboxing around 20 million cases consistently a month, so that's dragging numbers down as well. People are happy to pay more for cases in the breakout case, in the glove case. Really, in a lot of cases, skins are going up, so that ties in with cases going up as well. So there is a lot of stuff just saying that the case market is really good right now, in my opinion. And whether you think now is the best time to hold on to cases or not, even though there should be an operation in the coming months, which I've said plenty of times, I will think it will crash the market and drag prices down. Long term, I still think, once again, the charts just proved that these cases seem to be a wise investment. And I am still once again holding on to the like 2000 CS20 cases I bought at like 8 cents each. I learned from my massive mistake, aka selling 400 breakout cases at less than $1, and I will absolutely not repeat them. But yeah, besides all that, I think that is going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the case market. Am I just way too overhyped? Are things going to slow down? I don't really know. I can't predict the future, but I could tell you what the charts say. So once again, besides all that, that's going to wrap it up for this one. As always, if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and check out Skins Monkey as well for that free $5 bonus. But for now, I will see you guys next one. Peace.